Alright guys, so as you can see, your girl look good. My eyes match my windbreaker or whatever. I was supposed to been leave, but like I feel like
But she made me bring his stuff them, and she have to take all stuff because she done pay $150 fee. We send down some mirrors, see mirror that going there, so. And this is what she had to take out. You gonna miss me, Boom? Alright, Boom, come and give me a hug.
so first thing foremost, please ignore my face. I had the mask on and like it creased and I was sleeping on the plane, so like it looks a little botchy. But when I left this house this morning, my face was freaking flawless. But anyways, I didn't really get a chance to like vlog earlier throughout the day because I was like so tired or whatnot, and so much was going on. So first and foremost, I told you guys my aunt was sending me some stuff with her for her house and her luggage. She was overweight, but like what else is new? You know, Jamaican people always overweight, honestly. And then I videoed her this morning with her little garbage bag with all the stuff that couldn't go. It was like so funny. But yeah, I'm in Baltimore right now with my layover. It's a 2.5 hour layover, and I don't know, time is just going by so slow. I wish I could just hop on a plane and just be in Jamaica right now. But you know, that's not the case. So I have to wait. I am kind of nervous. Like, this is my first time actually traveling by myself. And like, I really don't like it. I don't have anyone to talk to. When I go to the bathroom, ready to go somewhere, I have to bring all my stuff with me, you know, and that's very hackling because like my purse is like filled with like so much stuff. And like, yes, I'm filming in the bathroom right now because I don't want to do this at the gate and then everyone looks at me weird because like it's really quiet and there's really not like a lot of talking going on. So I don't want to be like at the gate talking on my phone and people think like I'm weird or whatnot. But yeah, I just want to let you guys know that I have a little layover, and the next time you see me it'll probably be in Jamaica. But yeah, I just wanted to like catch you guys up and let you know what was going on. Yeah, that's all I have to say. Again, please ignore the face. My makeup transferred onto my damn mask. Oh my god. Guys, I wore this mask wrong. Like, what the heck? Wow, now I have to change it. I'm so mad right now. I just realized that this was the outside. So guys, a one piece of something. Oh my god, this is by far the worst flight experience. I don't even want to go into details because you know it's personal or whatever, but like basically I missed my flight. I missed it. I got held up doing some things, and now I'm not gonna reach Jamaica until tomorrow morning. And like I'm just so freaking upset. Like, I'm supposed to be in Jamaica right now eating my 5-piece wings combo. And then like with the bags or whatever, I had to like they took it off. So I had to collect my bags and stuff, and like I couldn't wait in the airport because what am I gonna do with like my carry-on and 2 extra pieces plus the damn the mirror box or whatever. Like I couldn't do that. Luckily enough, they held a big box with the mirror for me, so I didn't have to strain to bring that. So I just like found like a hotel. Found a hotel, just came, and I have, at least I'm gonna be laying my head. I'll be laying my head comfortable tonight or whatever. Hopefully I can get some sleep. I think I'm gonna just try to sleep out the whole day so the day can like come by quicker for me. So they changed my flight, and I'm leaving out of Baltimore 8:50 tomorrow morning, and I gotta get there like 3 hours before. I don't know, this is just so stressful. It's crazy, like my first experience traveling by myself, and like I'm going through this. Like it's just so like my hair, I didn't even bring no products for my hair because the plan was as soon as I got to Jamaica, boom, I was gonna get my hair done. I don't have no hair ties, no nothing. So like basically I'm gonna be waking up tomorrow morning with my head like looking like this. Like I have nothing to catch it up with, nothing. And like they were giving me problems with my bag, saying that, oh, Jamaica doesn't take boxes and a whole bunch of other stuff. I don't know. I'm just so grateful that like I can finally sit down and relax in this damn hotel room. I'll just give you guys like a quick little tour. I haven't eaten anything for morning. Luckily the lady was like, hey, do you want like a cookie? So the cookie came with the thing. Tastes pretty good, but anyway, everything tastes good when you're hungry. They said their restaurant opens at 4. I'm just gonna get something there to like catch me up or whatever, cause like I don't know around here. I don't do Uber or Lyft, and like I'm not about to like roam around a freaking city that I don't know. So I'm just gonna stay in my room in the hotel, get something from their little restaurant or whatever, and yeah, wake up at I want to leave here like at 4. The earlier I get to the airport, the better for me, you know? Yeah, because if I do 5, that's 3 hours before. You know, I think I'm going to leave here at 4:30. Leave here. Ooh. Excuse my damn lips and everything with the mask. Everything is, ugh. I'm going to leave the hotel at 4:30. It's like 10 minutes away from the airport, and I have to get there like 3 hours before. And that was, or should I just, you know, the earlier the better. I think I'm gonna try to leave her at 4 o'clock. So that means I have to wake up like at 3. Yeah, I'm gonna wake up at 3 o'clock here. Or 2:30, shower, and like do my makeup and stuff. Yeah, so I'm just gonna show you guys the room. I got a king bed, because like, you know, it's just me or whatever. So when you walk in, this is a closet, I guess, safe in that. This is the bedroom. You can tell like I'm so out of it. I haven't gotten any sleep. This is the bathroom. It's okay, I guess. Here are the damn luggages that I have to like. I was straining with this shit. Is like so heavy. And I had to bring that with my purse on top of that and this on top of that. Like, I'm just struggling. I'm not traveling again by myself unless I know it's just, like, my carry-on and my 50-piece. That's it. This freaking thing, like, busted open and shit. Like, but like, they handle luggages so badly. Here's the mirror. This is my outfit today. Oh, I have the flash on. But, like, I was so cute. And then, like, I had, my Clarks to go with it, and I was like, oh my god, I love my outfit so much, I look so good. And I had my makeup to match it or whatever. So yeah, this is the mirror, bed, light, TV, coffee area that I won't be using, little desk area, couch, and yeah, that's it, guys. So I don't know what else I'm gonna vlog. I don't know. I'm gonna put this video and whatever I do tomorrow in the same video, or just make this be one video. I don't know, but guys, I'm so stressed out, and like worst experience ever, like just crazy, you know? But hey, anything for my aunt, right? So yeah, I'm just gonna take a 5, lay down, and then wait till 4 o'clock until the restaurant opens to get something to eat. So I'll see you guys when I consume something. Alright guys, so I just woke up from a little nap. It's like around about 6:40, and I'm just not eating something. So the hotel that I'm staying at has like a little restaurant downstairs. So I just grabbed like a little salad. I got a chicken Caesar salad, and then I just got this to drink with a bag of excuse me, chips, and like airports, hotel, like stuff are so expensive. Like a bag of these chips for like freaking $2.25. That's ridiculous. But you know, I'm not complaining. You know, I got myself in this situation, so hopefully the time will just go by quick. I have to be at the airport 3 hours before my flight. My flight is like at 8:50, so I was gonna leave here like around 4 o'clock and get at the airport by 4:10, and I'm pretty sure that'll give me more than enough time to like check and get everything situated, like get rid of these bags. I just hope when I just have to hope and pray that when I go to Jamaica tomorrow. Well, if I make it to Jamaica tomorrow, that everything is like smooth sailing and I'm not in like a whole lot of problems. Like, I just want to be in Jamaica right now, you know, stress free. And yeah, I'm about to eat this. If I don't see you guys again for the night, I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning, guys. So it's the next morning. It's 4 o'clock and I just got ready, finished packing up my stuff, and I'm about to check out pretty soon and take a shuttle and go to the airport and check in and everything. And yeah, I put this on, this little long sleeve shirt, ripped jeans, and my Weatherby Clarks, you know. This shirt was in my previous Shein haul, so if you haven't checked that out, check it down below. And yeah, cute, comfy. It's currently raining right now in Baltimore, so the little jacket that I had on yesterday, I'm just gonna put this over it because it has a hood on it. So yeah, but I'm kind of really hot because like I blasted the heat on 80 last night because I was like super cold. So yeah, hopefully I do not miss my flight this time and I just have a smooth sailing. So I'll see you guys at the airport. Alright guys, so I made it back to the airport. I came here like at 4:30 and I had to wait like 45 minutes in order to get checked in because none of the kiosks were open. So it's a good thing I left at 4:30 instead of 4 because then I would have been here for like a whole hour. And I got all the bags and like I went downstairs, I grabbed the TV box with the mirrors and I checked everything in and everything was all good. So hopefully this time I'm not in like no problems and I don't miss my flight. Just hoping for that. So right now it's 6 and my flight leaves at 8:50. So I just grabbed some breakfast. I went to McDonald's and I got a hash brown, a McGriddle, and some pastries. So hopefully next time when you guys see me, I'll be in Jamaica. Alright guys, so I'm on the plane now and I have like 2 seats by myself because the middle seats are open and there's no one sitting next to me. I'm so happy. Here we go outside. I always get the window seat when I'm traveling. I like to see what's going on. And yeah. I'll see you guys when I land in Jamaica.
We'll be taxiing for a few minutes and ask that you remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please use caution when opening your
Guys, so I'm at the customs line or whatever and they charging me for the stuff that I'm bringing down and I'm supposed to pay. I'm not going to cash out, nobody not answer. Jamaica, and do not mind my face right now because the mask like messed it up, so it's like smeared all over. But I went through customs, they gave me problem and stuff, but you know, I'm here, so that's all that matters. And I'm on my way to get my KFC, so you guys will see what I'll get when I get it. I got my KFC. You get 8-piece wings, combo with French fries, and a cola, champagne drinks. No, spicy wings. No, if you bite it. So good. Yes. But I have to limit myself. Usually when I come to Jamaica, I have KFC almost like every day or every other day, but I can't because I'm gonna put on weight and I work too hard to just put back on the weight that I lost. But it's nice. So I'm on my way home now, so I'll see you guys in the next clip.